Q. Why do you want to study in USA? This question is asked generally to understand the intention of the student behind applying to USA. You can compare the quality of education in the USA and your home country. Mention if the course you are pursuing is not available in your country. Tip: some courses are available in specific universities in USA. Try to focus on the specific highlights of the university and the teaching method, research, etc. Q. Why do you want to join this particular university? To answer this question, tell the interviewer the specialization of the university, the world rankings, the global alumni base, and research productivity. Also, talk about the particular course you are taking and how it's better than other universities. Tip: go through the highlights of the university and note down important points. These points will help you answer the questions about your choice of universities. Q. How many colleges you have applied for? How many offers did you get? Answer honestly and tell the officer how many colleges you have applied to and their names. State which universities have accepted you. Even if some colleges have rejected your application, mention that too. Tip: this question is basically to understand your academic results and how many colleges think your academic marks are enough to get into their courses. Q. What course are you planning to take? This is a straightforward question. You just have to talk about the desired course that you are planning to get admitted to. Tip: talk about the impact of the programs on the current market and how that course can bring you closer to your goals. Also, talk about the career opportunities the graduates might get after completion of the program. Q. Have you been to USA before? Answer honestly to this question. If you have been to USA before, say yes. If no, then say no clearly. You have to state the reasons for visiting the USA as well, whether it's for vacation, any programs, or visiting family and friends. Tip: you have to answer honestly to all of these questions because the visa officer can easily cross-check the information. There is no point in hiding anything. Q. How much is the cost of studying at your university? How do you plan to meet the amount? In this question, you have to talk about the tuition fees, the accommodation charges, and how you are planning to meet these expenses as well. Talk about any scholarships or sponsorships that you can get, which will help with the cost of study. Tip: it is advised to research well about the cost of studying at the university. It's better not to mention if you are willing to work part-time or on campus to pay the fees. Q. Is anyone sponsoring you? What is the profession of your sponsor? By sponsoring, the interviewer technically wants to know how you will be covering your study expenses. Depending on your case, you can lead with details about one of the following. If there is any scholarship that you are availing, you have to give all the relevant details regarding it to the officer. Even if your parents or any family member is the sponsor, you have to mention it too and your relationship with the sponsors. You have to mention the profession of your sponsors. The officer would like to know if the sponsor is actually capable of paying all the fees and living expenses. It is better to keep yourself informed about the sponsor's salary structure as well. Q. Have you taken any loans? How you are going to repay it? Answer to this question is simple yes or no. If the answer is yes, then offer the details of the loan to the interviewing officer. Being transparent about the loan structure and repayment plan will definitely add value. Tip: while talking about repayment, mention how you plan to take up a full-time job post-graduation. Do not give any ideas of taking random jobs in the USA. However, you can suggest that you probably will return for a job in your own country. Q. Do you have any plans to work while studying? F1 visa holder students can work part-time jobs up to 20 hours a week. It is more advisable to mention that you want to focus on your studies more, but you will consider working part-time if you are offered a job on campus. Tip: the officer should not get any doubts about your intention to study in USA. You have to make her believe that you don't have any intention of seeking jobs in USA. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share.